Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can read How to Be a Dragon in Webtoon. So guys, if you want to read this series and you don't know how to do that, or maybe you can find that, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and open Webtoons first, and once you're there, just go ahead and tap on the search button right at the top and search for How to Be a Dragon. You can see that it is right at the top. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you're in the preview option. You can read the preview, and if you like the preview, then you can just go ahead and tap on continue to read, and now you're in episode 1 and you're successfully reading How to Be a Dragon. So guys, that's how you read How to Be a Dragon in Webtoon. If you want similar recommendations like these, then just go ahead and tap on recommendation option, and now you can see similar series like it. So if you like a certain series, you can also read that, and there you go. That's how you read How to Be a Dragon in Webtoon.
If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.